Carry forward the conversation in terms of the markets with Vishal Malkan joining in with us. Vishal, very good afternoon and thank you so much for joining in with us as always. Let's talk about the Nifty as well as the broader markets. What's your view in terms of that? Today we did touch that record high level, 24,401 is what it managed to touch. But what is the view ahead of the markets? Budget, I beg your pardon.
Good afternoon. I think the way Nifty and Bank Nifty are performing in the last few trading sessions is like a consolidation after a strong rally, which we saw in the month of post-election in the month of June and the first few days of July. So after every consolidation, there's like an uptick, which is what it is happening today. So it's a very, very strong undertone of the market, and we are into new highs. So definitely not try to catch the top. And every dip is a buy. So, and broadly, we look at more sector rotation than Nifty or Bank Nifty, where we can see more potential.
Okay, and Vishal, specifically, let's just highlight in terms of the consumption side, which again has started seeing a bit of an up move in the last few days. Today also we're seeing ITC is surely buzzing in trade, 2% gains is what coming in for ITC. Anything specifically on the FMCG and consumption find that you're finding interesting?
Yes, I think ITC itself, the one which you mentioned, has a good breakout about that 450 levels. It has been into that consolidation zone for almost like 4 or 5 months, and after that, it has broken out that resistance with volumes, with patterns, and with momentum. All the technical indicators are firing, so that means there is a big breakout, and we can look for further upside of around 475 to 480 in the next few trading sessions.
Vishal, today one stock that we should talk about is Maruti as well, right? Obviously, we did have brokerage notes, we did have the news flow that's come in specifically for the Uttar Pradesh government. They are announcing that complete waiver of registration tax, that's a possibility, and report that is coming in for hybrid cars. What's the word on Maruti, today trading with an uptick of 6% right now?
I think that's a big move on the market, on the Maruti stock, with a big volume, big candlestick pattern. And it was basically into that very tight zone for almost 15 days, in that very like 12,200 and 12,000, like between 12,000 and 12,200. And now it's a big move. Now the next level to watch out for is the recent high, which it made was around 13,000, 13,100. So that looks very much achievable in the next few trading sessions. And once that gets crossed, then we have further upside on the stock.
But let's move on, and Vishal, a couple of more names, especially coming in from the railway side. RVNL, there's no stopping that. We're seeing IRCON yesterday was buzzing. Today we have IRFC that's a bit subdued, but RVNL today is bit of a decline that we're seeing. So what's the word on the railway stock? Is it time that we'll see some profit booking here?
Definitely, the way it has moved in the last few trading sessions, there's definitely some profit booking, and as we are coming closer to the budget session, so there will be some volatility which we can see. And if you are holding on to longs and if you are seeing this kind of decent returns, definitely some profit booking has to be taken. And the one thing which I can notice today is that profit booking, which is the red candle today on RVNL, is with higher volumes. So that means there is some kind of selling pressure. So if you're holding on to this stock, I would definitely recommend to book at least 50% of your profits.
Any top picks of yours today, or in this market that you're watching out for?
I'm looking at the stock called IEX, which is around the level of 185, 186. So it is taking a good support and consolidating in that range. It is an overall breakout of the weekly and the monthly chart. So I'm looking at a target of around 210 in the next few trading sessions with a stop of 179.
Okay, Vishal, on that note, we'll let you go. Thanks so much for making time and speaking with us today. So that's the view coming in from Vishal Malkan on the markets.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.